Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are doing a get ready with me. Now, the whole reason why I thought I'd come and do my hair on my channel today is because I have been really struggling with my scalp and shampoos. So I thought I'd wash my hair with my daughter's, with Penny's shampoo. So it's a children's shampoo. And to be honest with you, my hair feels so much better. I don't know if shampoo is just so strong for my scalp and it just seems to be just flaking and everything. And I have tried medicated for scalp, I've tried any scalp shampoo, you name it, I have been trying them and nothing seems to be working. It just keeps making it really greasy. Now, I used to wash my hair once a week and this is probably the third time I'm washing it already, and we're only on Wednesday. Here's Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday. So I just feel like I needed something to do. So I just thought, why not just try Penny's shampoo and see, because she had like a dry patch on her scalp, and using this shampoo I saw it disappear and she hasn't had it back since. So I thought I'd just give it a go. But honestly, my hair feels really good. So I thought I might as well just do the rest of my hair with you guys and share that information with you. My hair has grown so much in lockdown. Like, look at it. It is, once I straighten it, I'll be probably sitting on my hair. It is way past my waist now. So yeah, I thought we'd quickly give it a blow dry, quickly straighten it. And then I've got some goodies to show you that arrived today. And I am so excited to share them with you. So stay tuned, grab a coffee, grab a drink, whatever it is. And let's get into this video. Oh, and if you haven't already, you know the score, guys. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to quickly blow dry my hair because it's still very damp. It looks like it's dry, but my hair holds the water quite a lot, so I need to go over with the hairdryer, and then we're going to go in with some straighteners. Now, these are old straighteners. My sister bought me these a few years ago for my birthday. They are Trevor Sorby salon approved straighteners. They've got argan oil blades as well. So yeah, this is what I'm going to use. It's on full. It's argan keratin, shall I say. It's on 230 degrees. I can feel the heat already. So I'm going to leave them there so that they can stay nice and hot and we can get this all sorted. I haven't straightened my hair for such a long time. Honestly, I really neglect it. I used to get my hair done on a weekly basis because I am the type of person that hates doing her hair because it's just so long and it can get frizzy and it's curly. Like you can see, it's got a natural wave to it. At the minute, I started blow drying it, so I was brushing it straight. But yeah, we'll get sorted. So like I said, let's get started. Put this on time lapse now, just because you guys don't want to hear the hair dry going on and then the straightening. So I will quickly dry and straighten my hair and then we'll get into the really good stuff. So I'll see you in a minute.
I really wanted to get it right, find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
that has just taken me 40 minutes to do my hair, to straighten it. It is so long. If I stand up, that's how long my hair is. It is long. I've just dropped everything. So, as you would have seen, I've just spilt my coffee on my top. So I'm gonna go and quickly change my top and I'll be right back and we will get started. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I quickly went and changed and my battery died. So I've had to change cameras. So if anything sounds different or anything, I've changed cameras. And yeah, so I thought I'd get changed and I've put my phone on and I just put it on low. And we're gonna do a quick makeup look as well. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so we're gonna create something with the red, obviously, and we're going to show you quickly makeup. Let's get ready together. Before I do it, I want to show you that arrived today, what I was telling you about earlier. What came in the post today, you're wondering? Well, let me tell you. It was the Spectrum and the Frida Kahls collaboration. Oh my god, girlies, this look at the packaging. I mean, do I need to say more? Look, it's her famous eyebrows, which mine aren't looking too far off at the minute. And I've got to show you this gorgeous, look at this bag. Just look at this, it's a makeup bag, brush bag, whatever it is. But how gorgeous is that? And if I was on holiday, well, if I was going away next Wednesday, which we were supposed to be flying out next week, gutted, this would have been coming with me and I would have had this for my beach bag, like to put all my little stuff in there that I needed for the beach, like my phone and stuff like that. I would have actually taken this. Oh, I'm absolutely gutted. But anyway, we'll save it for next year. We'll take it next year. And then I'll quickly show you what came in. So I bought the bundle and you saved, I think, about £20 if you got it in the bundle. And you also got a free lipstick as well. So this is the Spectrum one. Now I've already got that, so I just announced on my Instagram that I'm actually might give this away to one of you lucky girlies. And this is the shade, it's Venus. Is it Venus? Yeah. And it's this like metallic reddy copper colour. And so I thought I'd create a look with the Mars Revolution palette and this. You know, we'll do all the whole red. I'm feeling red tonight. So yeah, and then I'll quickly show you these brushes. Now, so I love this brand because everything is recyclable, vegan, cruelty free, and it's a fab idea. These tubes are a really good idea. The bundle comes with 7 brushes. Just look at the colour, and it's got the Frida eyebrows and the lips there as well. So it's all, the detail is absolutely amazing. And then it's got a quote saying, "I am my own muse," which I think is amazing because it's all about just being yourself, just do you know, be confident, believe in yourself. That's what I love about this. So yeah, and it's what I believe in as well. So I thought this was a perfect match. So we have a couple of eye brushes. We've got a blusher, bronzer brush, a foundation brush, another blusher brush, powder brush, whatever you want. And then we've got a brow brush as well. And then we've got a lip pencil, or you could even just, you know, when you add the little bits in the middle. And then you've got your Kabuki foundation brush, which is my favourite brush anyway. Now that I've straightened my hair, I feel really, really hot. Okay, and then this little baby is gorgeous. This was a special little brush, little powder blusher brush, and just look at this. How stunning is that? It's in the shape of a rose, and then you've got the eyebrows and the red lip there. Gorgeous. I don't think I'm going to use it. I'm just going to just stare at it. And then it comes with some beauty blenders as well. So we've got a nice fuchsia pink one, and then the royal blue as well. So that's what comes in it. I believe the bundle sold out, but I think you can get these all separately over on the website, so go and check it out. I'll leave all the details down below. I absolutely love Spectrums. I'm obsessed. I could just talk about them all day because I do love them. I don't know what's going on with my top, but it feels a bit weird. Okay, so let's get on with creating a look. I don't know what we're going to create, but we'll figure something out. I've got half an hour until I've got a meeting, so I need to kind of like hurry up. So bad. Like, I was just telling one of my friends on a voice note now that I feel really motivated to create content, and if I don't create it now or do it now, then I'm gonna leave it till later and I'll be like, oh, I can't be bothered. So I'm gonna do it now because this is how I am feeling. Lovely, motivated, and I want to share with you guys the best performance I can give, because I try to be real as possible, which I am. Not try to be, I am real as possible, but you know, you like to be a bit of a perfectionist now and again. Well, I'm trying to be that. Let's just forget what I'm talking about and let's get on with the look. We're prepping my lid and got to get some primer as well. So I am using the Cloud Complexion primer from XX Revolution. It is so hydrating and it literally just blurs out. I absolutely love it, and it smells of coconut. So nice, and it's just giving me my skin, it's just cooled my skin down as well. It's like I love the whole concept of XX because it's like putting skincare and makeup together and creating the perfect thing. So we're looking after our skin as well as making it look good, which is what I like. So I've just gone in with the basic primer for the eye, and then we're going to start in with using this palette here. I don't know what to go for, but we'll figure something out. Okay, so I'm going in with, I don't even know what it is, what the colour is, just numbers. So I'm going in with 1, 2, 3. Number 26, which is this shade here. It's like a burgundy. But I don't know if it's because of the brush being so soft or it's the actual palette. This colour right here. Yeah, go for this colour here. Lovely. It looks a lot brighter and orange on the screen than it does in real life. It's not as orange as that, I promise. Thinking I might go in with this little pink here and just blend it out. Not too much. Get on with the foundation and we'll come back to the eyes. So just using the Kabuki brush, the flat top brush too on the foundation. I absolutely love this brush to apply. I'm using the It Cosmetics CC cream. It's my favourite. It keeps it nice, my skin nice and hydrated as well, and gives you a really nice, well, it's quite a full coverage for a CC cream. It's actually quite good. And the screen, always on camera, it seems to be a lot brighter and lighter, but it isn't. It actually does matte quite well. So that's all blended out and buffed out. Okay, then we're going to go in with some bronzer, which I'm going in with the Revolution sculpting bronzer. Just take the big fluffy brush, give it a little swirl, and then just apply. That's a really nice brush. Bronzer is just amazing for putting warmth back into the, and putting some shape, a nice chiseled look on the chin. Okay, and then just put some on the nose. I'm not proper contouring today, I can't be bothered. And then we're going to go in with some blusher, and I'm going in with the Sugar Rush in Beach Cheek Ocean Girl, and it's a blusher cream. And I actually quite like this. I like that it's quite natural, and you can just like blend it into the back of the bronzer on this cheek. I'm going to put some highlight on as well. I want to be nice and plain because we're going to pop on the face and the lids. The lips and the eye, shall I say. Go in with some highlight, and I'm going in with the Ocean Oyster highlighter from the Ocean Spectrum collection. We'll have a good bit of highlight. Okay, and then we're going to go in with some mascara, and I'm using the Dark Matter from Spectrum. I have long straight lashes, and sometimes they take forever for you to see. Should have curled them before I put the mascara on. Okay, I'm going to just finish off the bottom lash line, and I'm going to take the thin pencil here. Oh no, just use whatever's at the bottom of it. That's a good idea. And then I'm going to go back in and put some mascara onto the bottom lash. I'm back. One sec with the eyeliner. Eyeliner's on. Now the last thing to put on is lipstick, and we're going in with Venus, which came free with the bundle, and there you have it. So from straightening the hair to getting the makeup done, I am done. What do you think? Give it a thumbs up if you like it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, this collection is gorgeous, so I've gone very plain everywhere and just done a big lip and eye. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.